A while ago we broke down a whole short loin, and that yielded us a tenderloin of 2.2 kilos that we've cut up in different pieces. I have a small piece here that we're going to use for carpaccio today. Of course, there's a link down below how to break down a short loin. So
and recently we had made carpaccio with hunger steak, which was delicious, but maybe you can't beat the classics.
That might be true. We'll see, because the hanger steak carpaccio was actually really good.
Oh, it was very
There is also a link down below for that one. So anyway, beautiful Black Angus piece of tenderloin here. We're going to cut up in relatively thin pieces. And then we're going to pound them out, of course.
Different marbling than the hanger steak you see, but...
The hanger steak was significantly more marbled than this. But this is beautiful.
Tenderloin is tenderloin, baby.
Yes, it is. And we also have some filet mignons coming up from that in an episode.
Looking forward to it.
So, meat mallet and a Ziploc bag has been cut open. And then we give it so get it nice and thin. Oh, that's so beautiful. See if we can arrange it a little bit nicely here also.
Yeah.
That's
Design is also important.
well, aesthetics. Aesthetics,
yeah.
Exactly. There we have it, beautiful spread. Time to dress it up. First we're going to start out with a bit of lemon juice. Super aromatic lemons from our own garden.
Ooh, it smells all the way here.
I mean, it's crazy, it's crazy.
Yeah, I know.
A little bit of lemon juice. We don't want to do too much here.
That's what cooks it in a sense.
It's not going to be cooked, it's just for flavor actually, because like that. And then a nice drizzle of olive oil. Theoni from Peloponnese. Excellent olive oil, by the way. A little bit of that. Sea salt, and also hand-picked fleur de sel from South Peloponnese. So it's...
Ooh, very nice flakes.
It's excellent salt, actually.
Don't overdo it.
No, I'm not overdoing it, but you want to have some salt flakes on top here. And then a small pile of rocket in the middle here. Make it look nice. And on top of that goes some Parmesan shavings. Just made before. That looks nice. And last but not least, we are going to put around some big capers here because I do love capers. I know it's not your favorite, so I'll take care of those.
You can eat all of them.
Easy peasy, easy peasy. There you have it, one beautiful plate of carpaccio. That was quick and easy, and now it's time to give it a taste. And I am looking forward because I do love carpaccio.
I think that must be the most delicious thing you can make it as.
For me, it is one of the absolute best things I can have. Carpaccio,
in no time.
In no time, and it's so delicious. But I'll see if it's better than the one with the hanger steak. That's a fantastic cut of beef, and tenderloin does work magic on carpaccio. The hanger steak was super delicious, different flavor profile. This here, classic and just perfect.